Replacement test 3. When you go to the USA last year, did, was, went, have. The answer is did. Great. Did she stay with friends? No, she didn't. No, she didn't stay. No, she stayed not. No, she didn't stayed. The correct answer is no, she didn't. She's never to New York. Gone, was, been, went. The correct answer is been. Great. I haven't got any money. Never mind. Some from the bank. I'll get. I'm getting. I get. I'd get. The correct answer is I'll get. Fantastic. You ever visited New York? Did, do, where, have. The correct answer is have. Perfect. He's learning a truck. To drive, driving, drive, the driving. The correct answer is to drive. Awesome. I can't stand in hot weather. To walk, walking, walk, to walking. The correct answer is walking. Brilliant. He smokes more than 10 cigarettes by day, the day, in day, a day. The correct answer is a day. Fantastic. Let's go somewhere else. There's noise in this room. Too many. Too much, enough, too. The correct answer is too much. Incredible. It's a very long day for Jack. He doesn't get home from school 6 o'clock. Since, to, towards, until. The correct answer is until. Unimaginable. They usually at home, but today they lunch in a restaurant. Are eating, have, eat, have, eat, are having, are eating, are having. The correct answer is eat, are having. Great! We didn't stay late. We were very tired. Because, so, that, until. The correct answer is because. Fantastic. I think most people English for their jobs in the future. Need, are needing, will need, will have needed. The correct answer is will need. Yes, sure. Great. Teenagers today like wearing casual clothes, so leather shoes aren't trainers. As fashionable than, as fashionable as, more fashionable as, fashionable. The correct answer is as fashionable as. Great! A friend of phoned this morning but didn't leave a message. You, she, you, her, yours, she, yourself, hers. The correct answer is yours, she. Beautiful. We lunch when the phone had rang. We're having rang. We're having was ringing. Had has rung. The correct answer is we're having rang. Great! You open the door before the train gets into the station. It's very dangerous. Must, mustn't, should, don't have to. The correct answer is mustn't. Fantastic. If you don't want to burn yourself, you lie in the sun all day. Won't, don't, shouldn't, couldn't. The correct answer is shouldn't, of course. If I have enough money next year, I to the USA. Will go, go, would go, went. The correct answer is We'll go. Fantastic. It's usually quite warm in September. It often rains. Bring a waterproof. But, so, because, unless, but, for, as. The correct answer is but, so. Unimaginable. Great. Fantastic. Thank you very much for your attention, ladies and gentlemen, and be happy as never before. Goodbye.